Southern British Columbia and parts of southern Alberta, from Vancouver Island to the Alberta border, are bracing for heavy snowfall. Canada's Bureau of Meteorology has issued a snow warning of 10 to 20 centimeters for these regions. As always, winter storms pose a threat to transportation, infrastructure, and safety on all coasts. A severe winter storm slammed Toronto, Vancouver Island, Alberta, and other provinces last Friday evening, causing widespread disruptions and damage. The Canadian Meteorological Department had predicted that the temperature would drop below freezing in all these areas, accompanied by heavy snowfall and possible rain later in the night.
In Southside, where 4 trucks went out. One's completely jackknifed. This guy had a back at
A winter storm warning was issued Friday night for Alberta, Vancouver Island, Toronto, and other areas, forecasting heavy snow for Saturday. However, some of the warnings were lifted after 11:40 p.m. as the storm moved eastward. But the storm left behind a trail of snow and ice, making highways, roads, sidewalks, and parking lots difficult to navigate. Visibility was reduced to near zero during the peak of the storm, with wind gusts reaching 72 km per hour. This resulted in many accidents, some of them fatal, across the affected provinces. Arctic air currents are expected to bring much colder temperatures to the region in the coming days. Snow is still in the forecast for some areas until Tuesday. The harsh weather conditions are especially challenging for children, seniors, and people with health issues. a winter weather travel advisory has been issued for the city of Toronto, urging residents to avoid unnecessary trips. Roads and sidewalks across much of the region became treacherous, closing some highways and canceling hundreds of flights. Netizens have shared videos of snow-covered airports, planes, and cars on various social media. Strong, gusty winds continued to batter the region on Saturday and Sunday, along with lightning strikes along the coast. More than 20,000 homes lost power due to the storm, and some are still waiting for restoration. The bitterly cold weather has created a state of emergency in some parts of Canada, affecting millions of people. Dangerously cold temperatures have set new records in every region, with some areas experiencing wind chills below 40 degrees Celsius. A blizzard warning was issued in advance for some parts of the prairies, where snow accumulations reached up to 9 centimeters on main roads. Warning signs have been placed on the roads in residential areas, advising drivers to be cautious and prepared. Drivers have been asked to keep their headlights on, maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel, and slow down on the slippery roads. They have also been advised to keep a safe distance from other vehicles and avoid passing snowplows. Meanwhile, crews have been working hard to clear the snow and ice and check the road signals, switches, and overhead wires during the storm. Power lines have been secured and repaired where needed.